Okay, if you have downloaded the Visual Studio as I earlier instructed you or directed you to do it, we'll proceed from there. So I'll open my Visual Studio, and for the first time when you open Visual Studio, this is how it appears, the welcome screen. So for now we are not going to talk much about this screen. I will close it here, and this is how the dashboard looks like. What we'll do is we'll come to File. Instead of New File, you come to Open Folder. Now when you click on Open Folder, we haven't created any folder yet, so don't get confused. You go to your desktop or anywhere you want to save this project throughout. You come to the folder place, or inside your desktop, right click and create new. Give name your folder. I can call it Web Development Tutor. Save and select the folder. Now that is my web development tutor. That is the welcome screen. I'll close it. Now on my web development tutor, you click new file. I click it, and on the new file I will call it, our first page will be the home page, so I'll call it home page .html because it's an HTML document we are creating. Enter. Now it has been created. This is it here. Okay, for our first web page we are going to create, this is what we'll do. We'll just type inside, I love coding, or hello world. You see, excuse me, I tapped W twice. You can type anything like that. Now for you to save, there are two ways to save. Either you do Control S, or you come to Files and then you come down to Save. Okay, now there are times that when you code and you have not saved, a blue icon is going to be demonstrated here to notify you that what you're doing has not yet been saved. It is not showing now because I've already saved it. Now you just go to your folder, desktop, and you search my web development tutor homepage. You see it is showing this Google Chrome icon because we saved it .html. If we wouldn't have saved it .html, it would have not been showing like this. So I'll double click on it to see how it shows on the browser, and that is that I love coding, or hello world. That's our first demonstration on web development. Okay, we are going to go back to the code, and now we'll delete this. And there have been in recent years many different HTMLs. We have HTML 3, 4, and 5. And in our recent time, 2020, we are using that HTML 5. So how do you tell the navigator or the browser that you are coding on that HTML 5? The first thing you want to do here is you're going to type doctype, or sorry, if that is even long, you just do one curly bracket. You see doctype, the first one, one open tag, pardon, you click it. You realize that we have doctype HTML. That is to tell you that this is an HTML5 document. Now you see these two arrows, the less than and greater than signs, but here it's not known as less than and greater than. We call them open tags. Now if I come down, I put H1 for example, and I press tab, you realize that it's going to be a little bit different from the first one. I'll type something like hello world. You see here we have the open tags on H1 alone here. Then on this H1 at the end of the word, we have the closed tag with the forward slash. It's a closed tag because it has a forward slash. So everything concerning web development, we code them using tags, open and close tags. So just get used to these terms or these names, because throughout this course we'll be using them, open and close tags. Okay, let's say I have H2 and the tab. Tab is just it's a shortcut of creating the open and close tag. I type I love this. Just type anything, it's just a demonstration. Then come to paragraph, P, tab. I type my website is amazing. Okay, now again you save, Control S, or you go to file and save. Come to your browser. Don't go again to your folder and search for it because it has already been opened here and we are kept it here. All what you do is you refresh this page for you to see the updates. And for you to refresh this is either you click here or the shortcut F5, and that is it. You see all what I've typed, hello world, I love this, and all the rest. You realize that there has been some specification here. Hello world is bigger than I love this, and my website is the smallest and is not bold or black like the first two. That is because if we come back to Visual Studio Code, you see that we have H1, H2, then P. H1 is an abbreviation of saying that is heading 1. H2 is an abbreviation of saying that is heading 2. While P is an abbreviation of saying it's a paragraph. And in HTML, we have H1 varying from H1 to H6. That is heading 1 to heading 6. And now, the funny thing there is that as the heading numbering is increasing, the heading size is decreasing. For example, if I add H3 tab and I add something like the third heading, then I save, I go again here, you realize that it becomes smaller than the second heading. So that is just how it's going. As we keep on increasing the headings, that is how the heading numbering, that is how the heading size decreases. So I'll pause this video here, I'll stop the video here, then I'll give you some more exercise. That is to say, I want you to code or write through H1 to H6, use it, then each heading tag that you create, make sure to put a paragraph in between. Like you see, I put a paragraph between H2 and H3. So you can code H1, write what you want inside, you put a paragraph in between the H1 before you go to H2, and same thing, just like I did here. So see you in the next video.